Do you know, abundance is our birthright. Abundance is our birthright. And everywhere you look, you see abundance. There's an abundance of leaves on the trees. There's an abundance of snow in the ground. There's an abundance of water in the universe. There's an abundance everywhere you go. And you and I have the ability to create an abundance.
Now, it's all in awareness. There's a marvelous inner world, and it's operating in you. And the revelation of that world enables you to do anything and to attain and achieve anything within the bounds of nature.
You can have all of whatever it is you want, but you have to earn it. Now, what would abundance be in your life? It all starts in our mind.
The core of who you are is the universal mind, and its only purpose is to help you express your individuality. It's operating for you in the way you want it to. Every single one of us, no matter what your experience is up to this point, has this same power.
You will attract whatever you need. Abundance. It's your birthright.